Picture this, a motorcycle that looks like it rolled straight out of a custom builder's dream, long, low, and unapologetically bold, yet refined enough to be ridden every single day without compromise. That's the energy the 2026 Honda Fury ABS brings to the road, a factory chopper that refuses to blend in, built for riders who want presence, style, and a smooth, confident ride all wrapped into one unforgettable machine. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Fury, it's clear this isn't your typical cruiser. The stretched-out rake, the elongated wheelbase, and that signature chopper stance instantly command attention. Honda has kept the iconic silhouette that made the Fury legendary but refined the details for 2026, making it feel sharper, cleaner, and more premium than ever before. The frame flows seamlessly into the bodywork, creating a continuous, sculpted look that feels almost like a piece of art rather than just a motorcycle. One of the standout elements is that slim, minimalist fuel tank. It enhances the stretched design while maintaining a muscular presence. The new paint finishes for 2026 bring deeper gloss and more dynamic reflections, especially under sunlight, giving the bike a premium, almost custom shop feel right from the showroom floor. Every angle of this machine is designed to be photographed, admired, and remembered. And then there's the front end, arguably the most defining feature of the Fury. That long, raked-out front fork paired with a narrow front tire creates a dramatic visual that separates it from everything else on the road. It's not just about looks either, it contributes to a stable, planted feel when cruising at speed, giving the rider a sense of confidence even with that extended geometry. Sitting low to the ground, the 2026 Fury offers a relaxed, laid-back riding position. The seat height is incredibly approachable, making it perfect for a wide range of riders. As soon as you swing a leg over, you feel connected to the bike. The forward-set foot controls and wide handlebars put you in a classic cruiser stance, arms stretched, feet forward, and your body settled into that low seat like you're part of the machine itself. Fire it up, and the heart of the Fury comes to life, a proven 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine that delivers smooth, predictable power. This isn't a bike that screams for high RPMs. Instead, it thrives on low-end torque, giving you that satisfying pull right from the moment you twist the throttle. It's the kind of power delivery that feels effortless, whether you're rolling through city streets or cruising down an open highway. Honda has fine-tuned the engine for 2026 to make throttle response even smoother. The power delivery feels linear and controlled, making it extremely rider-friendly, even for those stepping into bigger displacement cruisers for the first time. It's not about aggressive acceleration, it's about confidence, control, and that laid-back cruising experience that defines the Fury's character. On the road, the Fury surprises you. Despite its long wheelbase and chopper styling, it handles better than you might expect. The low center of gravity keeps it stable, while the wide handlebars give you enough leverage to guide it through corners with ease. It's not a sport bike, and it doesn't try to be, but for a chopper-style machine, it offers a level of predictability that makes every ride enjoyable. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and imperfections without unsettling the bike. Whether you're riding through city traffic or hitting longer stretches of road, the Fury keeps things smooth and composed. It's the kind of bike that encourages you to slow down, take in the scenery, and enjoy the journey rather than rush to the destination. Braking performance is another area where the 2026 model steps up. Equipped with ABS as standard, the Fury provides reliable stopping power with added safety. The front disc brake offers solid bite, while the rear complements it well, giving you balanced control during braking. The ABS system ensures that even in less than ideal conditions, you maintain stability and confidence. Now let's talk about one of the biggest reasons riders are drawn to the Fury, its uniqueness. In a world filled with similar-looking cruisers, this bike stands apart. It's a factory-built chopper, something very few manufacturers dare to produce. That alone makes it special. You're not just riding a motorcycle, you're riding a statement, a reflection of individuality and bold design. Customization potential is another strong point. Even though the Fury looks like a custom bike right out of the box, it still leaves room for personalization. Riders can easily add aftermarket exhausts, handlebars, seats, and cosmetic upgrades to make it truly their own. It's a canvas for creativity, and that's something the cruiser community absolutely loves. When it comes to technology, Honda has kept things simple but effective. The Fury isn't overloaded with electronics, and that's intentional. Instead, it focuses on delivering a pure riding experience. You get essential features like fuel injection, ABS, and a clean digital instrument display that provides all the necessary information without cluttering the bike's minimalist aesthetic. The exhaust note deserves a mention too. That V-twin rumble is deep, smooth, and satisfying. It's not overly aggressive, but it has enough character to remind you that you're riding something special. And for those who want more sound, the aftermarket options are endless. Fuel efficiency is surprisingly decent for a bike of this size. Thanks to Honda's engineering, the Fury manages to balance performance with efficiency, making it practical enough for regular riding. Combined with its comfortable ergonomics, it's a bike you can enjoy for longer rides without feeling fatigued. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Honda Fury ABS is expected to come in at around $11,500 to $12,500, depending on the market and optional features. That pricing puts it in a very interesting position. You're essentially getting a factory chopper with Honda reliability at a price that's significantly lower than most custom builds. For many riders, that makes the Fury an incredibly attractive option. And that brings us to one of its biggest selling points, reliability. This is a Honda, after all. You get the peace of mind that comes with one of the most trusted names in motorcycling. Low maintenance, proven engineering, and long-term durability make the Fury not just a stylish choice, but a smart one too. Another unique aspect is how approachable the bike feels despite its dramatic design. You might expect a chopper-style motorcycle to be difficult to ride, but the Fury breaks that stereotype. It's smooth, manageable, and surprisingly easy to live with on a daily basis. That combination of bold design and practical usability is what truly sets it apart. For riders who want to stand out without sacrificing comfort or reliability, the 2026 Fury hits a sweet spot. It's not trying to compete with high-performance cruisers or touring machines. Instead, it focuses on delivering a unique riding experience, one that's relaxed, stylish, and deeply satisfying. Imagine cruising down a long stretch of road, the engine humming beneath you, the wind flowing past, and every head turning as you pass by. That's the kind of experience the Fury offers. It's not just transportation, it's emotion, presence, and personality on two wheels. At the end of the day, the 2026 Honda Fury ABS isn't for everyone, and that's exactly the point. It's for riders who want something different, something that reflects their individuality. It's for those who appreciate design as much as performance, and who understand that sometimes, the journey is more important than the destination. And for Global Bike Buzz viewers, this is one of those bikes that truly deserves your attention. Because in a market full of sameness, the Fury dares to be different, and it does it with style, confidence, and unmistakable attitude.